In this video, I wanted to share with you a recent project I worked on, which is making a fabric bowl using old t-shirts. Before we get started, I want to clarify that this is not a tutorial video. I simply want to showcase some of the sustainable practices I have been implementing in my life and inspire you to think about ways you can do the same. As you may already know, the fashion industry is one of the biggest polluters in the world. From the production of clothes to their disposal, the entire life cycle of a garment has significant environmental impacts. The fast-paced and constantly changing nature of the industry has contributed to a culture of disposable fashion, where clothes are treated as short-term trends rather than long-term investments. One way to combat this issue is to repurpose old clothes instead of throwing them away. By giving a second life to materials that would otherwise end up in landfills, we can reduce our waste and contribute to a more sustainable future. In fact, according to the Ellen MacArthur Foundation, extending the life of clothes by just 9 months of active use, we can reduce carbon, water, and waste footprints by around 20 to 30% each. So, keeping all this in mind, I decided to turn some old t-shirts into a fabric bowl. Of course, making few fabric bowls isn't going to solve the fashion waste problem on its own, but every little action we take towards sustainability counts. I started by cutting the t-shirts into thin strips and then braiding them together to create a long rope. Once I had enough rope, I coiled it into a circular shape, and with the help of sewing machine, I stitched it to give the shape of a bowl. The end result is a unique and functional bowl that's perfect for storing small items. By being mindful of our consumption, repurposing what we already have, and supporting eco-friendly brands, we can collectively make a difference. So I encourage you to look through your own closet and see if there are any items that could be repurposed instead of thrown away. Maybe you will find a new hobby like I did with upcycling old clothes, or maybe you will simply appreciate the satisfaction of reducing the impact on the environment. The fabric bowls that I create using old t-shirts can serve a variety of purposes. You can use them in your kitchen to store items such as eggs, onions, and potatoes. They are also ideal for organizing your desk at work or keeping your favorite candies within easy reach. In addition, these bowls make great displays for your jewelry and accessories, allowing you to keep them neatly organized and readily accessible while adding a touch of style to your room. Well, the possibilities are endless. I hope this video inspired you to think about sustainable fashion. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, I would greatly appreciate it if you could give it a thumbs up by clicking the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on my future videos. Also, feel free to share this video with your friends and family who might be interested in sustainable fashion and reducing fashion waste. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay curious and keep learning to stay sustainable.